Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. The push to bring back face-to-face classes is growing, and the Andrew Holness-led administration says it has heard the calls and will make a decision shortly. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
There is a growing willingness among stakeholders, including some teachers and parents, for face-to-face classes to return. And the Minister of Education, Favour Williams, says a decision could be made soon. She pointed out that Prime Minister Andrew Holness had been personally examining the situation.
We gave the clearest indication that we will be moving on examining the face-to-face, and we at the ministry are doing just that, looking at all the schools across the system, and in short order we should be back to let Jamaicans know exactly how face-to-face would be done.
The logistics of face-to-face classes is perhaps the biggest puzzle, because keeping students 6 feet apart in classrooms is a big challenge. One suggestion from some parents and teachers is to use spaces like community centers, churches and libraries as classes to help spread out students. Another suggestion is for classes to split in half to better utilize space in classrooms and have each group of students alternate week on and week off. The Education Minister says nothing is off the table right now, but educators will be consulted on the finer details.
Obviously, we'd have to depend on our principals and teachers on the ground in the communities. They know the communities well, they know where the churches are, the community centers are, and so on. And so it will be a collective effort to ask all partners to come on board to help us as we abide by all the measures and protocols that are prescribed in the risk management order.
The Minister of Education was speaking in southern St. Andrew, where she handed out tablets to students of the Jonestown, Irisgelly and Trenchtown primary schools. She assured parents that the harmful sites had been blocked on the devices.
We ask of you one thing, to take care of these tablets that we're putting into your hands. It's a care and keep strategy. We ask of you to share as well with your siblings at home and with your friends, because we do not yet have one for every child in Jamaica.
40,000 PATH students will get tablets during the first phase of the state-led distribution. Students in grades 4, 5 and 6 will get the tablets first, since they are doing different stages of the primary exit profile PEP exams. As for high school students, how and when they get their gadgets are still being worked on.
There are other procurements on the way to put laptops into the hands of PATH students as well in our high schools in grades 10 to 13, again the exam grades. And there is an initiative to help non-PATH needy families by allocating an amount to those families towards the purchase of a laptop or tablet.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.